guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays and fabulous drag looks on Fridays, where I'm La Diva Deluxe. But in today's video, we're doing an inexpensive review, one of my favorite reviews, and this is Profusion brand. We're going to be looking into these palettes, swatches, a little tutorial. We're going to see how they work. One is Euphoria, one is Pastel. I'm holding it upside down as usual. And we're going to be testing the brow pens, where everybody's doing this right now. So we're going to be testing. These are the cheapest brow pens so far I've tested. These are $4 each. So we're going to be testing them on my eyebrows. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and I also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group, and the discount code for Kimchi Chic Beauty, Elaina Glam, for 15% off. So let's get right into this. So another day, another $5 palette comes out from Profusion. I mean, you can joke about it, but you can't beat it. I have so many of these. Actually, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Check that out. I have shimmers, which I have used before. When you need certain shimmers, if you lack, you can open this sucker up. There's shimmers. There's emeralds. Everything is $5, guys. There's neons, which is great. I have a few video on my channel. If I remember, I'm gonna link that over here. And spectrum, which is very similar to neons. It's very neon-y too. And now I've got 2 more sisters to add. So I'm gonna have like 6 of them. I can literally live on Profusion. The only thing the lack is like a white color here. Okay, I was not gonna show you, but I have Wanderlust and I have the Minimalist. These 2. So these are great as well. And lots of others. I just remembered I have like the weird octagon palette. I forgot the name, and I have another one. I mean, I'm a Profusion hoe, okay? And I'm wearing Profusion foundation actually, which is amazeballs. I still wear it. I still love it. It's very moisturizing, hydrating. So if you guys have a Walmart near you, I highly recommend this foundation as well. The Feel Good Skin. It is very, very, very good. It's very cheap and it feels like a high-end foundation. So, but we're talking about this. And the funny thing, I was looking at the Profusion website. I'm like, oh, hello. Now everybody's doing these pens. I think ABH started them, and ABH, of course, is very expensive. And then NYX showed up and they made them for like 11 bucks, I think. I got 3 of them in Walmart, 3 of them, and I love them. But NYX taupe is very green and caramel looks very green. And I don't think I look green. You let me know when you watch it back, because sometimes I watch it back and my eyebrows are green. So if these are green, then this is gonna go right into my poop list. But so far the contenders are NYX, Colourpop, and Profusion. All had the same amount of makeup. This one's like 11, I think. This one, I think it was 6, and I just reviewed it actually, and I loved it. And this one's a 4. And this is waterproof too. I mean, if this is waterproof, I don't think this say waterproof, right? Yeah, I don't see anything on these saying that they're waterproof, so this might be the winners actually. The cheapest ones might be the best ones. So as usual, I'm going to show you the tips so you can see the difference. But obviously you can see the hairs on my eyebrows. They can draw thin hairs, so I'm standing Profusion right now. So 1, 2, and 3. So as far as the tips go, I can see the Colourpop has the smallest tip, and I would say then the NYX and then the Profusion. But it doesn't mean anything, because even though the tip looks biggest, but the lines still come out thin, so I have no problems with it. Okay, so this is Colourpop medium brown, and the middle is Profusion, and the last one is NYX. Profusion looks very obviously more green, but I love the results. I mean, I love the way what I'm seeing in real life it doesn't look green. So I guess we're gonna find out. We're all gonna find out when we watch it back on YouTube, and people are gonna start clocking me. She's green. But anyway, we're gonna find out. So yeah, so you're gonna see the swatches now, these two palettes. The only thing, like, this shade broke. I'm not gonna drag Profusion now, but we had a little spat with customer service. Because, I mean, there's like, they didn't want to refund me. They refunded me half the price, $250 for some reason. But anyway, this time me brand new one, so it's all good now. So I'm gonna show swatches and we're gonna see what's happening and what this look like. So these are Euphoria and Pastels, of course. And these are the swatches. Euphoria is the typical Profusion quality. Very good, actually. The mattes seem to swatch real nicely, and the shimmers, some of them are typical quality of Profusion, like the light one here. It's very chunky, kind of like falls apart. This one obviously is the one, the problematic one that broke during shipping. And this one is the best. Actually, it's very creamy. This one is more like a satin. Very nice, actually. The swatches are nice. And these are the pastels. I'm just like trying to lay my arms so you can see. The pastel swatch, some of them are good, some of them are not that great. Some of them better than others, but really pretty actually. This could be useful, just like Beauty Bay pastels. This could be useful for certain looks that require blending out shades. But yeah, so far I'm very happy with swatches. I really like the purple with shimmer, the pastel. It has a little bit of glitter in it. So we're going to start with the black. I'm using different dress-up brushes, most of them medium-sized fluffy brushes. This is a pretty decent black. It looks very deep, so I have no problems with it. And they have pretty much perfect grays to blend this out with. This is what the palette is about. It's about the smoky eye, clearly. That's what it's all for. And I'm blending this with the pastels purple because that's what I like the most. The very light color. And we go in with this light shimmer under the brow bone, very pigmented. And then I decided to add some blue, because why not? And purple again. And on the eyelid, we're doing the shimmers, the dark ones. And we're doing just a smoky eye, so there is no cut crease. I just placed the shimmer directly. Looks pretty good, actually. And here's the brow pen. And look at her, already snatched in the wig. Yeah, the purple wig went with the makeup. I decided to use this new Amazon wig. The eyebrow pen is really good. So this is finished look. And I put my purple earrings on. I mean, the wig is from Amazon. It is a very shiny wig. But I just opened it and I wanted to wear it. It needs teasing and it needs James Mansfield treatment. I've been watching James Mansfield videos, so I need to like treat this wig. But for now, I just gave it a couple of braids, just so I can wear the purple. I just felt like wearing something real purple. So yeah, this is a lace front, and it's hard. I mean, it's like it's set part in the middle. I'm not a middle part girl, but I wanted this purple color, so it spoke to me. So. Well, we're talking about the palettes here, so let me zoom in. Well, everything was on the voiceover because I was time strapped today, so there we have it. So the palette is typical Profusion quality palette, both of them. They're very good palettes actually. I actually really enjoyed this one. And the pastels, they're real good for blending out. I tried a little bit of this and even a little bit of this. I might not have shown it in the video, but I used a little bit on the outside. And this worked well. They're a little powdery, the pastels, but it's okay. You know, it's not a big deal. It's only $5. And the same thing, it's only $5. Profusion keeps coming up with the great $5 palettes. I mean, there are some faults you can find in it, but when you think about it, it's a $5 palette and has 10 shades in it, okay? So I would say these are crumbly. This one really fell apart during transportation. This is a great shimmer, not crumbly. This one is crumbly. This one looked great in the swatch, but it was hard to apply on the eyelids, so it was kind of like falling apart and crumbly. This one is great too. I mean, there's like things bits and pieces and not that great. But for a smoky eye look, I mean, it's a no-brainer. For $5, you can easily make a smoky look just from these 3 eyeshadows and a little bit highlight, and bam, there you have it. So you can add some blue, some purple like I did, you know, just to test it out. I used the same pastels on my lips as well, because I mean, I used all kind of things on my lips. I forgot I was wearing the wig and I put on pink lipstick and I'm like, oops, nope. So I used this eyeshadow on top of my lips and a little bit of this and a little bit of this, kind of mixed together. So now it matches the wig. So the eyebrows, check out the eyebrows. The eyebrow pencil actually might be my favorite pencil right now out of all the eyebrow pens. The pens like this, some of them, I mean, most of the ones I have, they're good, but this one is better, I think. Baby wanted to come to mama to say hello. It's 8 p.m. and we've been sleeping all this time. So for these pens, I have to compliment Profusion for actually creating a great product at a very affordable price. These are $4 and they look expensive. Look, see, they have a gold detail. And they have, see that this looks expensive actually. So you see there's swatches, I showed them to you before, and these swatches might be a little bit thicker looking, but you can actually draw real thin lines. So one is the medium brown and one is soft brown, I think, right? If you're in US and you have access to Profusion website, get it, or Walmart. I haven't looked in local Walmart, but I bought this online. Walmart usually stocks everything, so this would be a great buy. So yeah, I would recommend all of this. As far as the budget brands go, this is a great budget brand. I'm usually very happy with everything, except for a couple of spots with customer service. But this was great, and this was great. I'm gonna definitely be using this for blending out some eyeshadows that I need some colors, similar to Beauty Bay. Let's see. Let's actually look at the Beauty Bay's pastels. I think actually looking at Beauty Bay, look at Profusion. Profusion might be more pastel. I think Profusion out pastels Beauty Bay, because the yellow is lighter here. The orange might be a little deeper, but there's a light pink. Yeah, that's very similar, actually very similar. So I mean, they're almost the same price, but it's easier access to Profusion in US than in UK, than in to Beauty Bay. So if you want something fast, you need pastels, go to Walmart or go to Profusion website. And Euphoria is great for smoky eye. So I'm totally feeling myself now very deep and smoky and very like mysterious in the purple wig. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Help the algorithm, like this video, and do subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. Follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my discount code for kimchichickbeauty.com, 15% off with the Elaina Glam code. Shameless promotion as usual. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you for joining my group, and thank you for supporting me. I have a Patreon group, the link is also down in the description box. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video, darlings. Bye!